You know, throughout the course of life, there's a lot of things you can do that can relieve stress. And many of which are known to everybody, but three of my favorites would have to be, one, if you got that annoying ass friend that just won't stop telling bad jokes, just tell them, shut the fuck up, man. You know, two, masturbating is very good. If you've been out on a date with a girl, been spending $200-300 on it, just haven't quite got it yet, masturbating will solve all that. And three, if you have a problem with somebody and rather than kill them and go to jail or beat them down and go to jail or lose a job, I say go to the gun range, because that's where I'm headed right now, to the Burnsville pistol range. So yeah, let's go inside and see what happens, because I'd rather go in here than go to jail and get raped. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Put that ass down on the grill.
Yeah. Let's take it back to the streets, nigga. East Coast, West Coast, Midwest, to the dirty.
Breaking your house, trying to steal your Oreos. They ain't with that. The golden ones, they very tasty.
I'm strapped, nigga. This is what we do. Let's get it poppin'. I got a brand new Mac. I hope this bitch don't jam. I had to bulletproof the lamb. I learned that from Cam. Good thing, good yams. Go straight to money. I'm from the hood, so you know I'm down with any money scam. Black lights, white blocks, thick like sheetrock. You throw a drink on me.
Stress-free day at the range. Boy, I feel good.
Matter of fact, one of them had dinner with me. You gotta play by the rules when you roam these streets. You little niggas trying to mimic what you seen on beat. You better